Hello guys, in today's video we have Jaybird from Jaybirds Creation here.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
So this is Jaybird right here. Jaybird Creations. Go check his channel out. It's amazing. He does some pretty cool creations. What are you doing? We brought you up here to play. Hey. Get up. So we're gonna just do a bit of playing with Millie today. Hey. I have a squirrel. It's Mr. Squirrel.
Let's throw it at Millie.
Okay. Okay. That's her squirrel that she's absolutely destroyed.
Wanna play? Wanna play?
Okay, we'll be right back once she's got playing. Guys, we're back. I think we've got her all going again. She's really happy. Okay, wait, where's your toy? Here. Oh, look how much she destroyed this thing. She's ripped off the whole ear. And then she has like another one of these. This comes from like a set and it's like a log and then she like pulls them out. Hey, Millie, what's this? What's this? Oh, come here.
Oh, she almost caught it in her mouth.
Yeah, I've learned how to whistle recently. Like, I've always knew how to whistle, but, like, really good.
Her tail's so fluffy.
I know. Hey, doggo. Ready? Ready? Ready?
What do you think we should do, Jake? I think we should get the people to guess what the dog is in the comments.
First of all, comments are disabled, and second of all, I've already told them.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's okay.
Well, I think maybe you guys should go check out Jaybird Creations.
Yes,
What was that rumble?
What?
What was that? Grumble. Miss Millie, you do grumble. Yeah, grumble. Right. Oh, on your belly. Oh, on your belly. Ready?
Hi.
Oh. Okay, can't even.
So, I was just over at Jake's house, and,
Yep.
we were just hanging out, and we thought we would, film.
We both have YouTube channels. Let's do this. So yeah, this same video will also be posted on his channel.
Yes.
There you
It will be posted in my channel.
go. So yeah, so you guys can see this from two different perspectives. Not really. It's gonna. He will take his camera out after this, and he will do his video. So you can see this kind of from two different perspectives, which I guess is cool. Hey, is this your toy? Is this Mr. Squirrel?
I know what we should name the squirrel.
Mr. Squirrel?
No, Mr. Nuts. Okay, that's strange.
But Chuck.
That was so weird.
Look at the fluffy tail, guys. It's so fluffy. Like the fluffiest tail in the world. Okay, give me your tail. What are you doing?
And also,
She's like, all right, touch my tail.
Millie is very, very smart.
Well, yeah, she's like a border collie cross. So she is so smart. So smart. Because border collie is the smartest dog in the world. And I'm pretty sure collie is the fourth smartest dog in the world. If I got that wrong, it will be up on the screen now. Well, if it was wrong or if it was right, I don't really know. Anyways, guys, this is a short video for you guys.
Yeah.
I think let's do some doggy ASMR. Doggo ASMR. Guys, don't worry, I will not be changing the channel name anymore. That I'm keeping it as the Rusty Dog. I'm sorry, I had some confusion There's some confusion going on. You just whack that all the way. Wait, you go get that. See that? No.
And Millie is
No one needs to see that, Millie. No one needs to see your butt.
Hi.
Well, this is her first time meeting Jaybird, so so she's super excited today. Okay, let's do some doggy ASMR, doggo ASMR. Here.
Lick the
That's my
camera.
camera stick. Okay, guys. I think she's getting too excited. What are you doing?
Millie, you just tapped me.
Okay, so goodbye, guys. Peace out.
Have a great.
I don't really have an outro, so
Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.
Peace out. Bye.